Hello everyone, welcome back to AgriLife Rahul. Today topic is one of the most loved fruit in the world, the apple. Apple are not just delicious fruit but also packed with nutrients. People say an apple a day keep the doctor away. Question is how do you actually grow apple tree successfully at home or on a farm? In this video I will guide you through in entire process of growing apple, from climate requirements, soil preparation, planting, care, pruning, pest management, all the way to harvesting. Apple is a temperate fruit crop. Tree can live for decades and produce hundreds of fruits when stabilized. There are two main types. Standard apple tree tail live long but take years to fruit. Dwarf or semi-dwarf apple tree smaller, start fruiting early, perfect for garden. Apple tree love cool temperate climate. They require chilling hours in winter, usually 500 to 1000 hours below 7 degrees Celsius temperature depending on the variety. Summer temperature should be ideal be 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. They cannot tolerate extreme heat or continuously rainfall. If you live in warm areas, choose low chill apple variety bred for subtropical condition. Apple prefer well drained sandy loam soil. Soil pH should be between 6 to 7. Avoid waterlogged areas as apple root are sensitive to standing water. Before planting, dig a pit about 2 by 2 by 2 feet and mix in compost, well rotted manure and some bone meal or balanced organic fertilizers. Good soil prepare encourage long-term growth. The best time to plant is late winter or early spring. Purchase grafted apple plant from a certified nursery. Never grow from seed if you want good fruit. Place the plant in the pit, spread root evenly and cover with soil. Water thoroughly after planting. Maintain spacing. Standard tree 6 to 8 meter apart and dwarf tree 3 to 4 meter apart. Remember, most apple variety are not self-pollinating. You need at least 2 different varieties nearby for cross-pollination. Apple tree need regularly watering, especially in the first 2 years. In summer, water once or twice a week depending on soil moisture. Avoid waterlogging. Fertilize schedule. Apply organic compost or farmyard manure twice a year. During growing season, add balanced nitrogen and phosphorus and potassium fertilizer. Nitrogen for leaves and phosphorus for root and potassium for fruits. Mulching with straw or leaves help retain soil moisture. Pruning is essential for apple tree. Remove weak, disease or crossing branches every winter. Train with tree in a central leader system. One main trunk with branches arranged like a Christmas tree. This improves sunlight, air circulation and fruit quality. For dwarf tree, you can also use espalier training, growing tree flat against a wall or wire frame. Common apple pest. First is aphid and second is codling moth and third is fruit fly. And common disease is apple scab, powdery mildew and fire blight. Use organic neem spray, pruning and good sanitize to keep them under control. Apple tree usually start flowering in 2 to 4 years for dwarf tree and 5 to 7 years for standard tree. Pollination is crucial. Bees play a big role. Thin extra flower or more fruit to encourage large healthier apple. Apple are ready for harvest in late summer to early autumn depending on the variety. Ripe apple will come off branch easily with a gentle twist. Handle carefully to avoid bruising. Store in a cool, dry place. Apple can last of week if stored properly. Choose variety suited to your climate and always plant more than one variety for better pollination. Be patient. Apple tree take time to but reward you with delicious fruit for many years. So friends, this was the complete step-by-step guide on how to grow apple tree. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to AgriLife Rahul for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.